Beautiful friends, we are back at Planet Fitness. Good morning, my friends. I am back at Planet Fitness, and today we have a full body on deck. Just sharing my workout, because I know a lot of times, I know especially for me when I was first starting my fitness journey, I was like, what the heck am I supposed to be doing in here? And as we know, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Wait a minute. Is that the right saying? I don't know. But if you can have something somewhat on deck before you walk in those front doors of the gym, your workout is going to be so much better. So this is one of those, it's a grab and play. You can just grab it, go, do it, 30 minutes, full body. It's beginner friendly. I think that's it. All right, guys, go be awesome. Have an amazing day. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.
Kamikaze, blinded by the show lights, paparazzi, they know I'm a gold mine. Everybody know me where I go. Why suicidal, hanging with the low. I'm a legend, I'm a fixer, painting portraits. Get the picture, like the paper, not the swisher. I'm your elder, call me mister. Y'all should probably do the math. I done been to hell and back. Primo had me in the ass. White boys hitting dabs. Went from bummy to your girl probably bumped me. Thoughts of things, turn a 5 to dime. Nothing to something. It's a classic tale like The Alchemist. Mama would be proud of this. Wonder where I'd be without this shit. Probably dining out and shit. Be easy just like the alphabet. Might wanna reroute your shit. You ain't about this shit, no. You don't want these problems like calculus. How to master the bad ones, I done passed them up. She just fell in love with me and I ain't even had to fuck. Kamikaze, blinded by the show lights, paparazzi, they know I'm a gold mine. Everybody know me where I go. Why suicidal, hanging with the low light. Kamikaze, blinded by the show lights, paparazzi, they know I'm a gold mine. Everybody know me where I go. Why suicidal, hanging with the low light. Gemmed out, zenned out, almost put the pen down. Now they focus lens when I hop up out the Benz now. I got my ends up, every move's a wins up. My life's a movie, so I turn the suspense up. Hallelujah, we made it. Thank God I learned patience. I was all in my feelings, like get me out of this matrix. I was jumping on buildings, labels act like they ain't see. Now when they hit my line up, I just act like I ain't me. Fix God, no it can't.